Hey guys, it's Ryan with Ground Up, the ultimate source for high quality detailing and restoration parts. In this week's product spotlight, we're adding some serious style to your ride with our 67 to 72 sports steering wheel kits. This style wheel originally came as a factory option from GM, but can be installed into any 67 to 72 car with or without tilt column. Available in a variety of colors and patterns such as black, saddle, red, rosewood and walnut, we've got the wheel to match your interior and build sheet. Kits also include a high quality hub, horn contact, cancel cam, and all the mounting hardware you need for a correct install. Top it all off with a stock horn button, or add some flair with Ground Up's exclusive Super Sport or Yanko horn caps for a look that'll really turn heads and set your car apart. For more information, click on over to www.ss396.com or give our call center a ring. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.